everyone, I'm Asmita. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a 6th-year medical student in Tbilisi, Georgia, and this is my life. So today's video, I'm gonna be talking about getting my life back together slash a productive vlog slash reset routine and getting out of the lazy girl era. So I have been following a really good routine since October, but I keep sliding off tracks due to certain reasons like birthdays, exams, or the classes, and so on. So from now on, again, I'm gonna try to get back on track. So let's begin. Let's start with changing my bed sheets cause it's been a while and I keep procrastinating and putting it on next day. So let's do it today.
So to get your life back together, you don't have to rush and try to change everything at once. Instead, you can start by building one habit at a time. One effective method is to start small. For instance, if you want to start waking up earlier, you can begin by waking up just 15 minutes earlier than you usually do. Once you get used to that, you can gradually decrease the time until you reach your desired waking up time. This gradual approach will make the change less drastic and easier to maintain as a habit in a long run. It may take time, but it will be worth it. Secondly, when it comes to food, I have been trying to develop healthier eating habits, but I keep crashing here and then. So in the morning, I make sure to eat at least 2 fruits and start my day with lukewarm water. I don't eat a heavy breakfast, and during the day, I focus on portion control instead of overeating. I have also started to eat mindfully, being more conscious about how much I consume and what I consume. I'm working on reducing my sugar intake by cutting down on it rather than cutting it out completely. I have found out that fruits are a better substitute for artificial sweeteners, so do give it a try. By the way, creating a to-do list is an effective way to stay organized and keep track of your tasks throughout the day. It can be very satisfying to tick off completed tasks from your list, to be honest.
I'm gonna be working out now, and here's a tip for you. So in case you've been feeling lazy and tired to not work out, all you can do is put on your workout outfit or whatever you wear like during working out and look yourself in the mirror. And once you do that, it kind of fills you up with the energy and boost and the joy you receive after working out. So yeah, you're gonna remember all the time you felt good about your body, good about your mental state when you used to work out in that outfit, that those memories are gonna come back at you, and that's gonna definitely motivate you to work out, cause it does for me. So if you want to, you can definitely give it a try, and it's fine to take a break, but if it's been going on for way too long, this is one thing you can try out.
Also, when it comes to working out, make sure to start small and focus on basics. It takes time to build up this strength for working out for a longer time. Moreover, you don't have to do any specific workout. Do whatever works for you, like Pilates, strength training, Zumba, and so on. And also, you can follow certain challenges which help you stay on track. Now let's meditate.
So since January, I finally hopped back on meditating, and I followed the routine quite well. I continuously meditated for 3 months, and mid-March and April I again lost it. So since I'm getting life back together, let's start meditating every day, cause it has really helped me with keeping my mind centered plus my body in control. And as I was someone who had a very chaotic mind, even during sleep I had so many thoughts going across in my mind, I could barely sleep well. And even in sleep, like I was properly sleeping and still my mind was a chaos, so I was not getting a really good sleep, as I would say, and I was waking up very tired. So since I started working out and meditating, my sleep has been really good quality, and now I'm gonna be following it up like really gotta follow it every single day.
Because it has helped me keeping my mind and body in center. Like, it just gives you a control over your mind like nothing else can ever. So yeah, do try out meditating because it's one of the best thing out there, and plus it's free. Yeah.
This is the channel and it has like all kinds of meditating type, like every single option you want, like relaxation, gratitude, morning meditation, night meditation. And they also have another channel which consists of 5 minutes of meditation. This one has videos from 10 to 20 to up to an hour even, I guess. So yeah, do give it this one a try because it's the best guided meditation channel out. Successfully completed the meditation. I already feel so calm and peaceful. So yeah, let's go take a shower now. My shower, and now I'm gonna cook lunch. So this is one of the another egg recipe which is super simple that I follow. This is my outfit of the day. The top is from Zara, the pant is from H&M, which has gotten pretty loose. This tote bag, I got this one from Amazon, and my shoes are from Westside. So let's go. Today I have a class on obstetrics and gynecology too. The best part about this class is that it's right in front of my place, so I only have to cross the road to attend it. And now it's time to head to the class. तो शर्मारी वैसे कभी नहीं आई वीडियो।
वो तो मुझे टॉर्चर करके लेके आती है तो
I just came back from class. It's been a while. I have my coffee and few strawberries, watch some YouTube videos. I'm gonna sit and do the same for a while now, watch something random, and after a while I will start my study session. I use two apps to motivate me to study. The first one is the Forest app, which you can use to keep track of all different activities. I just use it for my study sessions, and you can grow your virtual forest here. The second app I use is the Study Bunny, which I use to keep track of my progress and how much time I spent on a particular subject. done studying, finished one study session. So I'm gonna go for a walk with my roommate slash best friend Devika, and we're just gonna go towards WCC. I will show you all. And we haven't been doing this for way too long. We just implemented it in our life because it was winter and it used to be super cold during evening. Now that it's finally spring, we can go for evening walks. I am really happy that the sun has set though, because I do not like harsh sun. By the way, this is what I'm gonna be wearing for my walk, a casual sweatshirt and cargos. It's not cargos, it's more like jogger, and these shoes. And that's it, let's go. मस्त वेदर है फिलहाल। मई में भयंकर गर्मी होगी। शॉपिंग जा रही है वो। आ तो चुके अपन यहाँ पहले। ये मेरे को एडवेंचर के नाम पे वापस ट्रैकिंग करवा के लेके आई है। मजा? So Devika took me on a very long walk with hiking and all involved. I'm not a much of a hiking person, so yeah, I got pretty hungry. So we bought a khachapuri, which is like a street food of Georgia, in which there's bread and it's stuffed with some salty cheese. Yeah, I never used to like that as well. It's now because of Devika. So I'm gonna have that because I'm pretty hungry and tired. So let's do that. Lastly, there's one thing that I like to be consistent about, and this is one thing that I don't procrastinate about much, is taking my vitamins on time. I'm a very choosy food eater, so I don't necessarily eat a lot of veggies, and I do eat a lot of fruits but not veggies. So I have also been consulted by my doctor to take a multivitamin once a week. I take the soluble vitamins alternate day. I used to, and the multivitamin once a week. Currently I'm taking vitamin C and zinc effervescent tablet. Also, please don't take any vitamins or any kind of supplement without your doctor's recommendation. So do consult a doctor before you hop onto any vitamins, because there are certain vitamins, the fat soluble ones, which can lead to many side effects if taken in high amount. So be careful about that. So now I'm gonna be sneaking in a tiny bit of study session because I started a topic before walk and I wanna finish it up. I don't like keeping topics like halfway or finishing or starting them and not completing them, because then I probably won't. So I'm gonna do that now, and after that I will get in bed, do the sleep meditation, which is actually a really good way to fall asleep, because I'm someone who has a lot of trouble falling asleep how much ever early I get in bed, because now my body has adapted to sleeping late. So if you're someone who wants to do that, start sleep meditating, because it relaxes your mind and your body and you instantly fall asleep. Not instantly, but yeah, you eventually will fall asleep much earlier and have a good quality sleep. So finishing that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video, and if you made it so far, leave a comment down below for me and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.